Hello, everybody. I'm Eric, and Tom's not here. As you all know, he's still in Japan. But we received this big box from Disney, and if there's one thing Tom would want, it would be for us to open the box and do a little unboxing for you. This is all related to the Disney Destiny. I know there's a lot of Disney Cruise Line fans out there that are looking forward to the Destiny launching in 2025. Now, we found out yesterday that bookings will start becoming available, I think August 9th. A lot more information is going to be coming out in the next few days. So Disney wanted to give us a little teaser for the Destiny, and we're going to go through it. First of all, if you didn't know, the Destiny is going to be the third in the Wish class of ships. We already have the Disney Wish. A lot of people call them Triton class. It's really, that was the name of the project. The class is Wish. The Wish, the Treasure is getting ready to come out later this year. And then the Destiny in 2025. Also in 2025, we're going to have the Disney Adventure, which is going to be sailing out of Singapore. That's a ship that Disney bought from a Chinese company that's building this big ship. It's being built in Germany. It'll be sailing out of Singapore. There's a lot, and we found out Oriental Land Company is going to have a ship for Japan that's going to be another Wish-class ship. The Destiny in particular is what we're talking about today, and we're going to open this great big new box. All right. The first thing you're going to notice is there's a big porthole on here, and it says Disney Destiny. That was my hint that this box was related some way to the Disney Destiny. I've never received a box this big for any of the Disney stuff. This is pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to this ship too. So without further ado, this is going to be hard to see. Right here says Destiny, defines it. Use the dictionary. Something to which a person or thing is destined, fortune. A predetermined course of events often held to be an irresistible hidden power or agency. Fate. Myths and legend, fairy tales and fantasies, the Disney Destiny will draw on the timeless tales of heroes and villains to introduce brand new experiences that celebrate the legacies and larger-than-life characters from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and beyond. Discover the Disney Destiny Cruise Line. Discover the destiny of Disney Cruise Line's newest ship behind the doors below. So the first thing we have in this box, and I'll try to show you just how it's presented when you open it, there are some portholes down here going across that we'll be opening. And there is also a bag and some sort of item here. So let me start with those. This envelope here, a little folder. We know Tom loves paper stuff. If he were doing a Tokyo unboxing, you hear that song, that it's file folder time. It's kind of like that. This is has an adhesive tab on it. You could. I'll move it down so you can see it. There you go. There's that adhesive tab, and then inside. Oh boy, Tom's gonna die. It looks like a comic book. And it says, Tom's Path to Destiny, has Tom's name on it, and Tom gets an avatar. It kind of looks like Tom. I'm going to move it over here and see if you can see that. There you go. It kind of looks like Tom, a guy with glasses, short hair, and then it says, if I lower it down, you see where it says Tom's Path to Destiny. On here, you see Hercules and Hades, Minnie Mouse, Black Panther, Iron Man, Cruella de Vil, Maleficent, Edna Mode, and then Simba and Scar. Or I think that's Simba and Scar. Yeah, Simba and Scar. And then it has a stylized version of the ship. This is really cool. I'm going to hold this again so we can get a better look at it. Oh, Tom's going to have this thing framed, or Tom's going to request a whole comic book. But it says launching 2025, has the DCL logo on it. This is really cool. And I know some people have these because I've seen other influencers unbox them, and not all of them had their picture on it. So inside is another thing. It's a little piece of laminated paper. It says Uncover Your Destiny, July 30th, July 31st, and August 1st. Those are the dates that we know they're going to be making a lot of announcements related to the Destiny. As a first step on your journey, Destiny awaits. Celebrate some of the bold, charismatic, and driven characters at the heart of the stories coming to the Disney Destiny with a graphic novel cover drawn by Disney comic artist Miriana Puglia. Oh, I hope I pronounced that right. Miriana Puglia. That last name is spelled Puglia, and custom portrait by fellow Disney comic artist Trevor Fraley. So Trevor Fraley provided that illustration of Tom. The journey continues when you search behind the portholes to discover even more clues to the epic new experiences waiting on board the Disney Destiny. Become the champion of your own story by customizing your exclusive Weekender travel bag to reflect the legendary tales that will be brought to life on this Heroes versus Villains ship. So just like we thought, the theme of this ship is going to be the struggle between heroes and villains. That's pretty cool. And then they tell some hashtags to use, hashtag Disney Destiny and Disney Cruise Line, and share your excitement online, and tag at Disney Cruise Line on Instagram and Facebook. You could do that too, if you like, or at Disney Parks on TikTok. And there's nothing else in here, so I'll put these away very carefully. It is, you see it came out of the box, it's kind of bent. I didn't bend it, so if Tom gets mad, it was not bent by me. It's just a little curved, it's not bent, it's not creased. Where am I gonna put this? I'll put this in the desk for now. All right, along with that, we got this bag, the Weekender bag. I'll put this over here. It's gonna be too big for this shot. The shot's gonna be too tight for this bag, but you can see, it looks like the bottom detaches or opens. The zipper does not go all the way around. So you can kind of, it's like a little suitcase in the bottom. But maybe, that'd be a good place to put the dirty laundry, don't you think? We don't know, they have not announced itineraries. We know you can start booking this on August 9th. They'll give us more information. I assume Castaway Club by level is gonna be able to book before the general public, and probably people like DVC, Club 33, people like that. And then the top of the bag just opens up and there's just a lot more room to pack your stuff. So this is a very nice, fairly large bag, and I do notice it has the pocket right here, and then a zipper pocket on the front with the DCL logo. Anything in here? No, just the DCL logo. The bag, the manufacturer is, oh boy, BEIS. Base? Bias? The Weekender. Bottom compartment for shoes. Okay, I thought maybe that would be a good place for the dirty laundry, but yeah, shoes work. A trolley pass-through for ease, and a external zip pocket for small stuff. So, oh, I see. You have to unzip this. This is a trolley pass-through, so you can put it on like a rolling bag. Or you can just use it as a pocket. So I'm sure this will come in handy. For those of you on weekend trips, hopefully they'll sell them on board, maybe not. That's nice. Tom got a nice keepsake out of the deal. Put this over here. All right, there's no easy way to do this. So there are these portholes, and it looks like they are individual boxes that we can pull out and open, kind of like an advent calendar. So, you know, it's just a little hatch, and it looks like it's dogged down. I was in the Marine Corps, I had a lot of time at sea, and they dogged down the hatch for set condition 0 or whatever they call it. Zebra, set condition zebra. If you were in the Navy, let me know, I don't remember. It's been a long time. I'm gonna pull these out. Well, hold on. All right, the whole box slides out. And you see in here, the inside of this box just has a lot of nautical kind of waves and things like that. It's very pretty, very nice, pretty heavy duty. And I know I can open this box, but I think what we want to do is open these like an advent calendar, right? We want to open one hatch at a time. I'll put it over here. I don't know if this helps, Jake. There you go. You have a wide enough angle to see all these hatches. So we'll open them one by one, and it's probably going to reveal things that we will see on the ship. Let's do the first one. It's kind of perforated here. The first hatch reveals, oh, there we go. There's a patch, and that's Black Panther. So I think I can remove, yeah, it's just stuck on there with like a snot dot. So in this little thing is a patch. Oh, there's a second patch in there too. The first one's Black Panther. And the second one is Jack Jack. You know, the Black Panther and his arch nemesis, Jack Jack. Hopefully they do battle. I think that would be awesome. These are little adhesive patches, I guess you could say. Looks like you could peel the back and they'll stick. Yeah, there we go. Black Panther and Jack Jack. I'm going to put them away quite nicely because Tom is very particular about this kind of stuff, as you might expect. Okay, so Black Panther and Jack Jack. We can expect Incredibles and Marvel on this ship. We already kind of knew that. We're going to open the next hatch. All right, we have behind door number 2, the Incredibles logo. And what is this other one? Captain Mickey. There we go. Mickey Mouse himself in his nautical attire, possibly recruited by the Incredibles to help them. Who knows? All right, door number 3. Maybe. Someone asked me what itineraries they're going to have on the Destiny. Hadn't been announced yet. Most times when you get a new big ship like this is a big one and it's new, they do like the workhorse itineraries, those like Nassau, Castaway Key, or Lookout Key, like 3-night, 4-night itineraries. I doubt they're going to get a brand new ship like the Destiny and send it off to exotic locations like the Mediterranean or Norway or British Isles or Alaska. All right, so behind door number 3, we have a Disney Destiny patch. And there's something else behind there. It's Disney Destiny, and there's like a superhero Minnie Mouse. So a Disney Destiny patch and a superhero Minnie Mouse. That's pretty cool. Speaking of superheroes, if you are looking to book, I mean, Be Our Guest Vacations can really help you. It doesn't cost anything. If you go to www.nt.travel, they are a sponsor of ours, but they'll do a lot of the legwork for you, and it doesn't cost you anything. And they really know a lot about these ships. That's what they do for a living. So check them out, www.nt.travel, Be Our Guest Vacations. They're a great partner, and you can support us by helping support the people who sponsor us. That's my plug. But yeah, they do great work. All right, door number 4. What do you think, Jake?
Stitch.
Jake always wants Stitch. Superheroes like Stitch and Baymax in like superhero attire. That'd be pretty cool, right? Okay, got to reach in here. I'm getting Wreck-It Ralph here. Is this Vanellope's car? Like some kind of car made of candy. I don't know if Vanellope's car has a name, but there he goes, a Vanellope car. And I could be wrong. This looks like the Mariner from the Haunted Mansion. The character from the Haunted Mansion with the harpoon. This is definitely a dude with a harpoon. It looks like the Mariner from the Haunted Mansion, which tells me maybe there will be that Haunted Mansion bar that we've all been talking about that I think that it's going to be on a treasure. You know, who knows what that hints at, but probably some presence of the Haunted Mansion. And why not have the Mariner guy, right? And I don't know if he's related to Captain Culpepper Klein, who's allergic to dirt, so he's pickled in brine, the guy in the big bathtub outside the Haunted Mansion here at Walt Disney World. All right, final door. What do we think? Is this where we find, what is it? Stitch and Baymax and Jack Skellington. That'd be a wild ship, wouldn't it? The like most passionate fandoms in all of Disney fandom, Stitch, Jack Skellington, and Baymax. Right there with, I want the Japanese ship to be Duffy and Friends, and I want this stern art to be Gelatoni painting the name of the ship with his tail. That'd be good. A lot of you don't get that. But Duffy and Friends, yeah, that's a whole very passionate group of people too. All right. So, oh, it's Loki. Okay, so looks like Loki. I thought briefly that was a mythosaur logo, like from The Mandalorian or from Boba Fett's armor. But it looks like that is Loki. There's your Marvel. And then this patch simply says, Hakuna Matata. For those that don't know the language, that means no worries. So, yeah, there's your language lesson for the day. So there you have it. Those are our hints. We're gonna get more information in the coming days. But the Disney Destiny, man, I can't believe it's already like right around the corner. I don't think there's anything else in here. Let me make sure. Nope, that's it. That's it. So there you have it. The next Wish class ship, the Disney Destiny. We're excited about the Treasure. Tom's going to be going in Treasure. I can't because I can't afford the Treasure. It's very expensive the first few voyages. Even the Wish is obviously going in Disney Cruise, look, it's expensive. Like I said, go to our friends at Be Our Guest Vacations to try to get the best deal you can. I was not a fan. I'll tell you, I was not a huge fan of the Wish, but I think the subsequent announcements to the Wish that are a little bit more like narrowing in on themes, I think are going to be a hit. So I think this, this Haunted Mansion and this, I think there's Jungle Cruise stuff. There's a lot of these themes that people really connect with that I think are going to help with these next few ships. You can watch, we did multiple reviews of the Wish. We've been on it multiple times. I've only been on it once. But I think the Wish class ships have a big opportunity to help Disney Cruise Line continue to grow. And that's good for everybody. I think, more options for you, more destinations, more fun. Not to sound like Bob Chapek with his more Disney, more family, more, whatever. But I think it's great. I'm really looking forward to the Disney Destiny and the Disney Treasure and the Disney Adventure and whatever else comes around the corner. But that is our box for today. Thanks for joining us just for this quick little recap and opening the box. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.